Allah, Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So, alright, so in this video, we're just gonna continue what we have done before. So, we are in the settings section so far. We have done the first subsection. So the sports section, so it's the subsection of the settings section. It's basically this. If you haven't watched the latest or last video, go ahead and watch it. So you better do. So the reporting section is what we are gonna just do right now. Let's move on. There isn't actually too much of anything to clarify, so let's just do it. So settings, the reporting section is where we at. We are gonna need a frame, of course, which is right here. This is layout of grid. This layout has group boxes, 2 of them actually. This is one, and you know what, maybe we can copy this one and change it. Let's delete it and let's paste. We are gonna need a combo box, it's here. We are gonna need a path. Okay, so let's just make this. Let's break the layout. We are gonna need this here and this here. This doesn't say class name. What it says is, let's just change it to it just says path, and this button says get. This thing here says report, and we have fees or attendance for a particular student. Okay, so report sports type, we don't need another combo box, so this one is just as wide as the group box itself. This needs to be aligned. Okay, we don't need neither of these things. Okay, we need one spin box, and it says 1 actually. Value, it says 1. This, by the way, is the student's ID or enrollment number, and we need a label to do that, to tell us that. Widget box, actually just deleted the label, that's a mistake. Okay. This says enrollment number. Okay. And we need a button, of course. This says create report. This is a line edit for the path where you want your report to be, and that's all we need. So a path, line edit, a get button, report. Okay, so let's make this layout grid. Close this. Let's get this here. Alright. it's perfect, or almost perfect. I don't know what you want. Okay, it's perfect, it's perfect for our needs, it's perfect. So we are gonna need another one. Let's move this right here. Let's create okay, the next one is just gonna be the path, the get button, the report with no spin box nor the its label. So because we are gonna report for the whole class. So first things first, so here is a single student. That's why we are using the enrollment number, hence the spin box. And here we are doing all the student. So we are reporting for all students, right? Okay, I think that's about that. Let's make this layout grid, and here we go. Oh, this spacing, man. Control C, Control Z. Okay, I need to change the spacing. Of course I need to change the spacing. First of all, this is too big. Let's change that. Property editor. What is it? So maximum height. So this is now 500 or 553. Let's make this maximum height of 450. Okay. Or 400. Let's try 400. That's good. That's amazing. Oh. Okay, I think we sped this up. The reporting here, all of these fields. I guess the fees, the attendance, and what else? So we have the students' fees, the attendance. I think that's all there is. No. We need another one. I think it's the student name or something like that. But we're gonna fill this up later on, but that's not such a big deal right now. It's easy, just add in one. So now let's move on to the backup, and that's in the next video. But first let's try. Okay, so let's just remember what this thing is named. So property editor, the name of this tab widget is tab widget 4, and I need that because let's just open this first. Settings, backup, no, because I wanted to open the first section as I always want. I saved the main UI on the backup, so it's always gonna open that, and unless we use our trick, which is going to the code and then moving open settings and self tab widget set current index to, that's 4, I guess. That's 4, set current index to 0. And there we go. Okay, that's about that. That's what we did in this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So that was 9 minutes.